want to explain basic integral. Basic integral. This is integral sign. This is integration sign. So basically, if I'm given integral of, let's say, x raised to power n with respect to x raised to power n can be anything. So if I integrate this thing, I'm going to have x raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. Then don't forget the constant of integration. This is valid when n is not equals to minus 1. When your n is not equals to minus 1. So that if it's equals to 10, that will become, this one will not be defined. Alright, so for example, if I'm given x raised to power 4 with respect to x to integrate, if I'm to integrate this guy with this formula, then I'm going to have x raised to power 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1, then plus constant of integration. Then the final answer is going to be x raised to power 5 all over 5 plus constant of integration. If we are given the integral of the square root of x with respect to x to integrate, then the first thing I'm going to do is to rearrange this guy using basic indices. We have the integral of x raised to power 1 over 2 with respect to x. Alright, so if I use the formula, I'm going to have x raised to power 1 over 2 plus 1 all over 1 over 2 plus 1. Don't forget the constant of integration. So 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So we have x raised to power 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2, then plus constant of integration. So the final answer is going to be, if I rearrange this, I'm going to have 2 over 3x raised to power 3 over 2 plus constant of integration. So if we are given the integral of, let's say, 1 all over the square root of x raised to power 3 with respect to x, we are asked to integrate this. First of all, what I'm going to do here is that I need to rearrange it very well. So we have the integral of x raised to power minus 1 over 3, then the x. If I integrate this, we have x raised to power minus 1 over 3 plus 1 all over minus 1 over 3 plus 1. Please don't forget, you must always put your constant of integration. Okay, so the LCM, the x raised to power, the LCM here is 3. 3 goes in 3 is 1. 1 times this, we have minus 1 plus 3 all over minus 1 plus 3 all over 3. Okay, plus constant of integration. So the value is, our x is equals to 2 over 3 all over 2 over 3 plus constant of integration. So the final answer to this question is 3 over 2x raised to power 2 over 3 plus constant of integration. So irrespective of how they give us the question, for example, if I'm given integral of x raised to power 10 with respect to x, if I'm given a question like this, what we are going to do using the basic formula, we have x raised to power 10 plus 1 all over 10 plus 1 plus constant of integration. So our x is 11, please, is 11 all over 11 plus constant of integration. So that is how we use the basic formula, this basic formula to solve. Just increase the power. Now, what if we are given a constant? For example, we are given integral of 10 with respect to x. You know, if I differentiate, if y is equals to 10, then dy over dx, if I differentiate this, is going to be 0. But if I integrate it, it's not going to be 0. So let's check that out. So the integral of 10 is the same thing as 10x raised to power 0. This is 10 raised to x raised to power 0. So nothing has changed with respect to x. So this final answer is going to be 10x raised to power 0 plus 1 all over 0 plus 1. Please, plus constant of integration. So the final answer is going to be 10x plus constant of integration. So that is how we use the basic formula to solve integral. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this post. Thank you for watching.